Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing a VR for Elizabeth over at the Crafty Cricket. I will be sure to link her channel down below. She is celebrating her 50th birthday on November 23rd and she's hosting a 50-50 birthday challenge. She is requesting that we send 50 items of our choice, do a VR, and a crafter's choice. Each of these are worth one entry. Elizabeth also has recently lost her husband. She could really use some cheering up with some happy mail, and I hope you will consider joining in her 50-50 birthday challenge. Let me show you what I've decided to send her way. Elizabeth and I are pen pals, so we ship things back and forth to each other a couple times a year. The first thing is I have this cute birthday card. It says, "Somebody wishes you a happy birthday." I've written a note on the inside. I'm also sending her a sympathy card for the loss of her husband. I found this coloring set. It has 2 coloring books, 2 double-sided posters, and 8 colored pencils. I know that she does like to color. I'm hoping she will enjoy this set. For my crafter's choice, I'm sending her this little book that I made when I was doing a design team for Decorate Your Life, and I think that she will like this little album. There's also some goodies tucked in on these tags. So this is my crafter's choice for Elizabeth. For the 50-50, I decided to make her an embellishment box. This is the sleeve that I've made for it. I used a larger Project Life card, some stickers. I added the 50, this present, a little hat, and I added this little Know Me tag on the side. It does just slide out of the sleeve. I thought this would be the easiest way to send 50 items. This is one of the embellishment boxes that I picked up from Temu. In this one here, I've included a bunch of red embellishments. There's puffy hearts, buttons, some bling, all different kinds of things, and I decided to do colors. So we have the red, pink, the green, the yellow, the purple, the blue, the white, the orange, and the black, and each one has a different selection of cabochons, flatbacks, pearls, clips, anything that I could find that was that color. In here, I have shared a bunch of mini flowers. Over here, I have shared some of the fluff that I used to create my cotton candies. This is a bunch of my dewdrops in a variety of colors. Over here, we have some acrylic sea creatures. We have like an octopus and a crab and a fishy. I also recently picked up these skulls from Michaels, and they are from this year, so I thought I would share a couple of those. They do glow in the dark. And this one, I shared a bunch of different kinds of hearts, some sticky back bling, some mini bows, pom-poms, some wood pieces, colored wood pieces, bigger blings, and some brads. And that is my embellishment box for Elizabeth. That is my entry for Elizabeth over at the Crafty Cricket. Elizabeth, I hope that you know that we are all thinking of you in this hard time and that you are able to celebrate your 50th birthday with some joy. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.